There are many ways people can make predictions. Some use The Simpsons. Some use divination tools like oracle cards, astrology, isometrics, using the calendar. Some people look at the clouds.
People walking in the clouds. Out of everything I see, this trips me out the most.
Now, I've seen stuff lately about, the sun being simulated and the moon is a holographic projection and, all that stuff, but definitely never seen people in the sky before. So I'm going to try it. This footage, by the way, was taken from Girl Sees Dragons on TikToks, if you want to check her site out. But I'm going to try it, when it's less smoky. We have a lot of fires around here right now. And see if I can use some filters and see some people in the sky. All right. Bye for now.